The Bulletin of the Atomic Scientists is a nonprofit organization here in Hyde Park. And for over 70 years, we've published a journal, which we now publish digitally every other month. We are focused on issues of science and technology and the advancement of it and how to manage the risks at planet level consequences. So we started in 1945, focused on nuclear risk, and that's what we're best known for. And we were created by Manhattan Project scientists here at the University of Chicago who had worked on the atom bomb, saw it tested, and said the world as we knew it has changed. We must change the public conversation. The Doomsday Clock is one of the best examples of the power of what happens when art and science come together. So it was the first cover of our first magazine in 1947, and it was created by an artist named Martil Langsdorff, who's from the area. After thinking about several different options, she created a clock. The clock conveyed an urgency, and it was a kind of in the public imagination of a countdown to zero. Set first at 7 minutes to midnight, that the public had to get engaged and make sure we never use these weapons again because they are so dangerous. So you can write your Congress people, you can ask them when you meet them how they're thinking about climate change or what they're thinking about nuclear risk, and you can talk to your friends about it. If we have these conversations around the dinner table, we can come up with creative ways to make sure that others who care about these issues can join us in demanding change. One of my favorite parts of the exhibit, in addition to obviously all the stories and everything and how elegantly it flows, but it's the teenagers, the kind of what I'm seeing is like 12 to 20 who are reading the questions and voting with these yellow discs about whether they think climate change will affect their lives or not, or whether or not they think writing to a politician makes a difference. The thought that they're putting into this before they vote, I've seen it happen so many times at this point, and it's still my favorite part of the exhibit.